Are you tired of losing money in the markets, taking losses day in, day out, loss after loss? Well, this is because you have not come across SignalPeak. SignalPeak is a premium Telegram service that offers over 100 different channels for the best, most accurate signals within cryptocurrency and Forex. For me, I have been using them over a year and I am getting profits on profits on profits. It is literally funding me to travel the world right now. And I want to share this with you. Now, they are giving a limited time free trial access, so you can check before you want to commit. To be clear, this is not financial advice. This is purely for educational purposes only. Let's jump in, guys. So guys, now that we are on the website, you can see that it is a very smart looking website. Up here, it is explaining to you about their 100+ premium Telegram channels that you can have access to once you sign up. Scrolling down, you can see that they have all the different Telegram channels that you will also have access to. And not only with the signals, they do offer unique market insights and trading strategies. If we go ahead and click show all the channels, you can see a whole list of channels that you will have access to follow and make your own profits from these. Now, obviously, when you're going to want to create an account, there are so many different ways that you can take the signals. Obviously, you have the standard brokers that you can use, or you can obviously use Binance, crypto.com, whatever you particularly want to use to execute your trades. Scrolling further down, you can go ahead and choose your plan. Now, as you can see, you do get a 1-day free trial, but if you're going to get involved, guys, obviously $99 a month is fine, but the lifetime access of $350, guys, this is unbelievable. This is what I have, and I am not needed to pay any more money towards this. The money that I have made from the signals has already paid me back my investment and given me profits on top of that. If, however, you were paying the $99 for 1 month, month in, month out, over the end of the year, you're paying close to $1,200, which just doesn't make sense when you have the lifetime for $350. Scrolling a little further down, you can see that they do have their premium features, 100+ premium Telegram channels. You have the different types of trading. You have scalp, standard, and swing, depending on the time that you're wanting to put into this. SignalPeak has allowed me to travel the world, so I am mostly taking scalps when I can and the odd swing trade, just because I can jump on whenever I want and I can take these trades as it pleases me best. The risk management guides is an important one. It will teach you to put the correct amount of risk on for you. It'll give you the exact entry and exit levels and updates along the way. 92% accuracy, and the 24/7 support was super important to me. It means that I can get hold of them whenever I need to. If you are a beginner and you are wanting to learn to trade, it has the largest learning material library for trading in the world. So you can just get stuck in, get learning, and get making profits on your personal account, as well as the profits you bring in from SignalPeak. Moving down towards the bottom of the page, you can see that there are some reviews you can hear from our subscribers. This guy here, since he joined the Telegram channel, he's made over 10 times his investment through the crypto trading. Guys, there are so many more reviews that will give you that peace of mind that you are looking for to get involved in this. However, you are looking at one of them. So moving down, you can obviously see some of the reviews here on Trustpilot. That's one that I look for with literally anything. You look at a restaurant, you look at a hotel, I always look at the Trustpilot, and you can see here that they have exceptional reviews. So when you guys go ahead and get signed up, you're going to get directed to a Telegram page. So we're going to jump over there now and I'm going to show you. So now that we're on the Telegram, this is the page that you will get directed to. And as you can see, you do have your options here. You've got the 1-day free trial, the monthly plan, or the lifetime plan. I'm already a member of the lifetime plan, so I'm going to go ahead and click this here. And we're going to go ahead and click on the Forex channels today, as this is the one that I personally have been using myself. You can see here, guys, that you have many different Signal chats that you can obviously partake in. For me, I have been using one in particular, the FX Elite Club here. So we're going to go ahead and jump over to that chat now. Now you can see here, guys, that this is quite an active chat. They post the news so you can see what's going on. But also here you can see that they have their TPs that have been hit. This TP in particular hit TP1 plus 50 pips, 0 drawdown. You can see here again, plus 50 pips, 0 drawdown. So if I click this, we're going to be directed up to the signal that was given, and you can see that it was GBP CHF. They tell you to get in now. Your stop loss placement was 50 pips, your TP1 was 50 pips, that's a 1-to-1, TP2 at a 2-to-1, TP3 at a 3-to-1, and TP4 at a 5-to-1. And an important one is obviously do not risk more than 5% of your account on this trade. Another thing that they show here is the actual trade itself. So you can see how that they're taking, and this is a head and shoulder pattern. You can see by the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder, and they are taking a sell on the breakout. Obviously scrolling up, you can see more of the trades that they take, more signals given, and it is just profits on profits on profits, guys. Jumping back to the SignalPeak bot, we can have a look at the crypto channels, and you can see that there is just heaps of them, guys. There is no reason that you cannot make money when you have access to this. So now you have seen SignalPeak and the insane results that it can deliver for you. Go ahead, click the links below, get your free trial, get your lifetime access, and get making money. Moving forward, I am going to show you more channels on SignalPeak, so go ahead, like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you can be notified on my next video.